Hello everyone! Thank you so much for watching this video today because we're going to be talking about an interesting subject that is really important when you go abroad. That's right, when we go to South America or Spain, the numbers. So when you go to the store, you want to ask how much and you want to understand, right? That's what we're going to be talking today. And specifically, we're going to give you some tips to use when you are traveling abroad. My name is Gabi, one of your Spanish teachers in iAmigo School, and we're going to be learning together today. But before to start, let me remind you that you can take a trial lesson through our website and you can have a presentation about our methodology and you can have fun while you're learning because that's our idea in iAmigo School. So let's get started. Right now, we're going to be talking about the numbers, okay? You're going to see here all the numbers and then I'm going to give you some tips to practice and to keep it in mind, okay? So let's start with the numbers from 0 to 10, okay? Probably you know, uno, dos, right? Dos cervezas, por favor, right? So that's pretty common when we watch a movie, a Spanish movie, or when we meet some Mexican friends that we always make those jokes just because it's fun or because we already know different movies or different songs. But today we're going to use those numbers with higher numbers, okay? So let's practice with me. 0, which is cero, cero. Uno, uno. Dos, dos. Pay attention to the right pronunciation. Tres, tres. Cuatro, cuatro. Really soft. Cinco, cinco. Seis, siete, siete. Ocho, ocho. Oh, nueve, nueve. Diez, diez. So pay attention to the pronunciation. If you see the O is really exaggerated in our language, okay? It's soft. And we don't pronounce the Z. It's just an S. Yes. Yes. Right? Let's go with the numbers from 11 to 20. Those are important numbers because normally those are the prices that you can find when you go abroad. Normally you will hear the word pesos, okay? Como peso mexicano, peso colombiano, peso chileno, peso argentino, and so on, okay? So we're gonna be practicing those numbers. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So look my pronunciation. 20. That's right. 20. So the V in Spanish or in Latin America, we don't pronounce it like in Spain. There's no vibration like English or French, okay? Now, I'm going to ask you, how much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? 15 pesos mexicanos. 15 pesos mexicanos. Does it have sense now, right? Let's put other higher numbers, okay? From 20 to 30, okay? Pass. 20. Pronunciation, 20. 21. 21. 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So if you see the pronunciation and the right structure of the words, we attach the first numbers from 0 to 1 with the word 20, okay? That's a simple rule that we use in Spanish, okay? So now, I want you to practice the word thousand. Because when you travel, in Latin America, we use the word thousand for most of the currencies, okay? So, 20,000, 30,000, okay? 40,000. So, in Colombia, how much does it cost? How much does it cost? 30,000. 30,000 pesos colombianos. 30,000 pesos colombianos. It's easy, right? Now, let's go with the other numbers, with 30 and 40. So when we start saying the numbers from 30 to 40, we use end, I, N, I. Let's go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 30, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and so on. Okay? So, how much does it cost? 35 pesos mexicanos. Muy bien. Now, we're going to practice with 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay? So now we're going to practice some questions when we use. How old are you? ¿Qué edad tienes? How old are you? Okay? Yo tengo 25 años. Yo tengo 25 años. ¿Vale? Those are numbers. Okay? Did you like this video? So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember that you can take a free trial lesson where you can have one of our qualified teachers to show you our methodology. It was a pleasure to meet you and hasta pronto! See you soon!